Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download CapCut app. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So now to download your CapCut app, go to your Google Play Store and then search for CapCut. It is CapCut, CapCut. It looks like this one. Now just tap on install to install the app. And you just have to make sure that your phone has enough storage so that you can download CapCut app. It is now successfully downloaded on your phone. It is now ready to use and it's for free. And that's it! If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.